her friends tomorrow on the school trip. Her parents arrive home from work and ask her not to stay up too late because she's going to have a full day tomorrow. She says she's just finishing up the cookies for her friends and will go to sleep soon. They comment that her friends must be really lucky to receive all this love from their daughter. Her father, excited about the whole thing, ends up giving Jean a bit of money so she can enjoy tomorrow and buy a few gifts. Back to her room, packing things for tomorrow's trip, and she decides to bring her portable charger. Looking at the two options she now has, she remembers something that happened a year ago. In the dormitory of Y University, Ajin tries to convince the other girls to stay overnight because after all, it's the first day of camp. However, they're not interested at all in spending the whole night there. They only did it for the extra credit, but it's not worth it. They also remember that Ajin got scolded in class for dozing off, and that she doesn't even care about her grades, so they should all just leave together. She then decides to accept the suggestion, since she doesn't want to stay there alone. In the dark, they're trying to sneak out quietly so the instructor won't notice, but they're caught off guard when the light turns on, and the instructor's assistant catches them sneaking out. Ajin is completely impressed by the assistant and convinces the girls to go back to the room. She blushes and thinks that, for the first time, maybe she's feeling what it's like to fall in love at first sight. Back then, she remembers not knowing how she had the courage, but she decided to talk to him and ask for his phone number. They talked almost every day, but all of that changed when he got a girlfriend. That broke our protagonist's heart, even though she knew that maybe to him she was just a student he met at a camp. And it's at that moment we realize that, in fact, the one who gave the portable charger wasn't Ajin's father. It was the first crush of her life. My bad there. She feels happy just looking at the charger and wonders how he must be doing these days. Back to the present time, we now see a scene at Y University, where her crush is surrounded by women and is being congratulated for getting a teaching internship at a school. The girls around him congratulate him and ask where he's going to do this internship. Of course, it's going to be at Soren High School. Well, after that little spoiler of what's coming in the future, we are finally at the day of the school trip. The students complain that they wish they were going to an island or somewhere farther away, and our protagonist is only worried about where her friend Cho-hee is. She calls her friend and asks to meet up because she needs to give her something before leaving. As she turns around, she finds her friend, all dressed up and even wearing crop shirt, showing that she didn't come to play on this trip. Ajin, absolutely right since they are school students, scolds her friend and says that those clothes show too much skin. Cho-hee gets mad at her and tells her to stop tugging on her clothes, that she's fine the way she is. The whole crowd stops and admires the beauty of our male protagonist. Both Ajin and Cho-hee are impressed by how handsome he is and how well he dresses. Some girls already approach him, saying he looks really good in casual clothes and asking if he's already decided who he's going to sit with on the train. Meanwhile, Jinwoo's friends are already showing that they've brought alcohol to enjoy the night and invite some girls. Cho-hee immediately starts paying attention because she wants to try her best to get close to Jinwoo, and the boys mention that the room where they'll invite the girls is going to be Ajin's room. She then